Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
Alright guys, I'm with the shitty camera again because Miguel said he was gonna drop off the Canon, but he didn't. So right now, that's the Civic. This is the garage, my nice heater, and I'm about to put these wheels that I got for the Civic on today, and probably just really cheaply lower my car just about as cheap as possible by just cutting my springs. So stay tuned and we'll get some videos and pictures of the car with the wheels on.
What's up guys? I'm here in my girlfriend's mother's car because the cord broke. The axles went on me when I went for an interview, so I got my little brother with me. So we're gonna go pick up the money so that we can get the axles changed. I was gonna do it myself, but it's way too cold outside and there's like snow and shit. It's really cold and I have to go to work at like 4, so I'm gonna have my buddy David do it for me. So we're gonna go pick up the money real quick. Man, fuck Jeeps, bro. We out here off-roading the motherfucking Camrys, bro. I got the breads. So we gotta go to Lewis's house because I left my axles at his house, so we're picking those up real quick. From there, I gotta wait for my boy David to hit me up, and then I'm gonna throw my axles in the backseat of my car. And then I gotta like limp the shit because all it does is limp, and bring it to the garage. And then hopefully weight reduction. It's actually pretty sick. And then after, so yeah, just drop off the car, have it running, no more like bad axles. They've been bad for a while, so then I don't have to worry about them for a while. So yeah, so I just picked up the axles. They're somewhere back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, I'm gonna go bring the car now. Hopefully I can get the car back before I go to work. And Lewis is recording his wheels. He got new wheels for the Civic, so there will be another video on that soon. Psych, I lied. I forgot we gotta go pick up my girlfriend's mother's phone at her house. Then I gotta wait for David to call me, and then I'll drop off my car. Alright, so I am on my way. I just got the call, so I'm gonna drop off the car to David, and I'm gonna see if I could either pick it up at the end of the night or see if I can go pick it up when I go on my half-hour break. So yeah, guys. Alright, so I just got out of work. I met these little pooties.
You already know how to rockin'. Subscribe to my channel at Kadanish YT. You already know how to rockin'. 250 subs in 1 week.
Stop trying to self-plug yourself.
He's still gay, so it don't matter. Anyways, so we're gonna go pick up my recorder right now, and I'm gonna lock it up with this fool.
I'm gonna lose.
You never know, your car's a lot lighter than mine.
Let's pray for the VTech gods.
Yo, we in this car, bro. We in the court.
So far, so good.
It's fucking cold, nigga.
But my heater don't work. Oh, it does, man. But it's gotta get hot. Like, my car's not even close to being warm.
You know how he rockin'? He gonna bust his nigga ass real quick.
Oh my God, it is frozen. Hold up. It's gonna get really cold.
Yo!
The window down?
Oh shit.
Yo, second gear, second gear.
God, yeah.
Diablo, diablo. Run it back.
I'm telling you, he's a rookie.
Yo, Junito's fucking anxious to take off.
Ready now?
Oh my god. Holy shit. I got you, bro. Go ahead. Get it, my boy. Get it, my boy. Wait, what, you giving him a full car length? Oh my god! Is that hatch a single? The gray hatch was single cam? Cause holy fuck, that nigga took off on him. Dale pipi, dale pipi. Uh-oh. Look like he broke something.
Who wanna lock it up? You wanna lock it up? What you got? What you got? A B20.
They ain't gonna lock it the fuck up, bro.
Ain't nobody wanna lock it.
Yeah, as long as Wesley don't hit my car. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. That shit was mad fun. It was a good race. He lost 3 times, but he's testing his luck on a scratch ticket. I guarantee he's still gonna lose, but it was a good fucking race. And definitely once he does more shit to this car, it'll definitely be a closer race. But that's it.
No, there ain't no stopping us.